Today, I'll perform another sample mock call, and this time, I will be covering topic related to sales account. If you are going to apply in the BPO industry and you will be endorsed in a sales account, there are huge possibilities that you will be asked to perform a mock call. Mock calls like sell me this pen, sell me this used toothbrush, and things like that. So expect that to be asked to you by your interviewer. Not just that, during your training phase, you will be asked to perform a sample mock call with your trainer or together with your teammates. Therefore, it is highly recommended for you to know the basic call flow when it comes to handling a sales call. So if you're interested with this topic, make sure to watch this video until the end, and let's begin. Good day. Thanks for calling Infinity. This is Naomi speaking. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking to?
Hello, Naomi. This is Barbara Johnson. I'm a loyal customer of ABC Telecom for over 5 years now. I noticed that my phone bill is getting higher and higher, which I don't like. I need to cut down my expenses. So the reason for my call today is to check if your company has any ongoing promotions that I can take advantage of, because if there is, I am seriously planning to switch phone provider. Can you help me with this?
Wow, lucky is ABC Telecom for having you as a loyal customer for 5 long years. However, I felt sad because as a loyal customer, I believe that you definitely should get discounts and promotion to keep you as their customer. But I think that's not the case in your situation. No worries, Barbara. Calling us today is a perfect choice you've made. I am the right person to help you look at promotions that can help you lower your phone bill while still enjoying similar perks, if not better. Having said that, would that be alright if I ask you a couple of questions that will help me understand your needs and preferences?
Yeah, I called them multiple times to ask for ways to get my bill lower, but they keep on telling me that I already have the best plan at the moment. Sure, I'd be happy to answer your questions.
I see. Could you tell me the plan you currently have with your provider, how much you're paying to them, and whether your phone you're using is fully paid or is it still on an installment payment plan?
Well, I'm paying $80 a month with ABC Telecom right now. With taxes and fees included, that sums up to as high as $85. Guess what? I am not in a family planner whatsoever. I only have a single plan with them. As per the service I'm getting, they said it's already unlimited data, but I typically encounter my phone's data is slowing down towards the end of the month. Yes, I own my iPhone 13 Pro Max.
Thank you for answering all of my questions, Barbara. It will help me find a plan better than what you have. Oh, quick question by the way. Do you want to keep the same phone number that you're using at the moment, or is it okay for you to get a completely new one?
I honestly want to keep this number that I have. All of my family members, friends, and colleagues knew this number already. Is that possible? Good thing you asked.
No worries at all. Based on your answers, I have 2 options for you. Let me know which one works best for you, okay? So I have option 1. It's called Pro Plan. It comes with unlimited data for only $45 a month. So that's $47.50 per month, including taxes and fees. So you will keep the same phone that you have, which is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and you can port in your number completely free of charge. Option 2 is called Extra Plan. So this also comes with unlimited data for only $70 per month for 24 months. That's $72.50 with taxes and fees included. So your phone will be upgraded from iPhone 13 Pro Max to iPhone 14. And you can still port in your number with $0 fee. How do these options sound to you, Barbara?
This sounds amazing. I can't believe I have a way to upgrade my current phone and still be able to get unlimited data, same mobile number, and a much lesser bill. But honestly, my current iPhone 13 Pro Max is working perfectly, so I'm not really looking to replace it. Therefore, I'd love to go to the first option because that will ultimately help me save half of my current phone bill. sale. What do I need to do to proceed?
Perfect. To proceed, kindly provide me your current mobile phone number so we can start porting in your number. And I will also need your credit card details as this is going to be billed automatically on a monthly basis.
Sure. My phone number is 934-677-1234. Let me grab my card real quick. I have an American Express card with me. The card number is 2356-2236-1889-2300. The expiration date is 12/2025. And let me check the CVV code. I think the CVV code is 136. It's under my name, Barbara Johnson.
Wonderful. I got everything already. I'll be sending you an email confirmation using either your mobile phone number or your email address. I will need your approval for us to proceed with the order as well as the port-in process.
Sure, send it to my email, barbara_johnson@gmail.com.
Thanks. Sending it now. Did you receive my email?
Let me take a look. Oh, there you go. What do I need to do?
Alright, so all you need to do is to kindly read the order details. If everything is according to what we've talked about, just check the 3 boxes you'll see at the bottom and we should be good to go.
Alrighty, doing it now. There you go. I checked the boxes. I approved it.
Perfect. I'm able to capture your approval already, so you'll receive another email confirming this transaction. You will not be charged today. It will happen exactly 30 days after the phone number has been successfully ported over. So I just want to let you know that porting in of number may take up to 7 days to complete. So I suggest for you not to cancel your mobile phone plan with A, B, and C Telecom just yet. Do that only after 7 days. Would that be fine?
I understand, but that works. I still have a week or two paid plan with them, so I'll just cancel it once the porting is complete. Thanks a lot for your help, Naomi. You've been an angel to me today.
It's my pleasure to assist you today, Miss Johnson. Welcome to Infinity. Is there anything else I can do to help you apart from this one?
No, that was all. I'm all set.
Perfect. Once again, this is Naomi from Infinity. Have a nice day. Bye for now. Alright, so that's the end of our mock call today. Sana po may natutunan kayo. Usually kasi, pagdating sa sales, kapag ka inbound call ka, ikaw na mismo ay makakatanggap ng call. Iba naman yung situation kapag ka outbound call. Let me know kung gusto nyong gumawa ko ng video or mock call na outbound call naman. Pero essentially, itong pinerform kong mock call ngayon, yun yung halos ganun na process kapag ka magbibenta ka ng cellphone sa isang customer. Kailangan, syempre, opening spiel mo palang upbeat ka na, tapos kailangan attentive ka sa mga sinasabi ng customer sa'yo, lahat ng details niya, kailangan makakapture mo kasi later on, either mag-acknowledge ka, mag-empathize ka, magbibigay ka ng reassurance, and at the same time, magpa-paraphrase ka. So, yun yung ginawa ko kanina. After ng opening spiel, nag-paraphrase ako. Actually, nagsabi pa nga ako ng, wow, ang swerte naman ng company mo na, you know, loyal ka sa kanila and things like that. Pero parang nasad ka dahil nga parang hindi ka na-value dahil nga pataas ng pataas yung bill mo, imbes na bigyan ka ng promotion. So, parang in a way, nakaka-relate ako sa kanya. So, yun yung way ko, personally, nung agent pa ako, na magbigay ng assurance doon sa customer na, hey, alam ko yung pinagdadaanan mo, alam ko yung sitwasyon mo, kaya kong tulungan ka. Kasi yung pinaka-goal niya talaga, onset of the call, ay makakuha ng phone plan na same ng level ng service niya, pero mas cheaper yung service. So, perfect call din ito dahil nagkataon na perfect, mayroon tayong dalawang plan, yung isa makikip niya yung same na service, pero $45 ang babayaran niya, unlike sa original bill niya na $85. So, almost half ng bill niya na cut. Tapos, yung second option natin, magkakaroon siya ng pangalawang, ng iPhone 14, pero ayaw niya yun. Kasi, diba, kung maka-iPhone 14 siya, $72 yung bill niya. So, malaki pa din, close pa din doon sa kanyang binabayaran previously, pero meron naman siyang bagong phone. okay naman daw yung iPhone 13 Pro Max niya. So, wag na tayong mag-insist kapag ganon. It's still a sale pa rin naman kapag nabentahan natin siya ng phone line dahil nga magpo-port in na siya. Sa atin na siya magbabayad ng phone plan. So, yun, i-take note nyo na lang lahat ng details. Actually, magiging effective kayong sales agent kapag alam nyo yung product, alam nyo or kabisado nyo lahat ng mga services na ino-offer ninyo para kahit anong itanong sa inyo ay kaya nyong sagutin. Tapos, proceed na kayo dun sa process ng pagpo-port in, kukunin nyo yung number, tapos yung credit card details niya. Kasi usually kapag phone bill yan, auto-pay yan, automatic bill payment, madideduct yan sa kanila. So, kailangan mo talagang kunin yung kanilang credit card details. Tapos, kailangan mo mag-send sa kanila ng approval na, ayun nga, may consent nila na mag-a-upgrade sila or lilipat sila ng phone number sa'yo or sa kanya na sila kukuha. Tapos, ayun, pwede ka rin mag-recap dito, pwede kang magbigay ng self-service options, pero hindi ko na siya in-include dahil mako lang naman ito. Pero, usually, sa actual na call nyo talaga, gagawin nyo talaga to. So, much better na gawin nyo pa rin yun. And then, yun, upbeat na closing spiel lang. Tapos, good to go ka na. Alright, so that's everything. I hope that you've learned something from this video. If yes, please hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. If you have video suggestions, feel free to share that in the comment section below because I promise to create that video suggestions of yours in the future. And at the same time, if you have thoughts or questions about this video that we have today, feel free to comment below as well because I promise I'll be replying to each and every comments of yours. And yeah, I am rooting for you. I'll see you next time. Bye!